Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about the health benefits of sweet potatoes and share some delicious recipes you can try at home. Sweet potatoes are a versatile and nutritious root vegetable that has been used for centuries in traditional cultures around the world. First, let's talk about the health benefits of sweet potatoes. They are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Sweet potatoes also contain antioxidants like beta-glucans and polyphenols, which have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Now, let's dive into some delicious sweet potato recipes you can try at home. 1. Sweet potato and black bean salad. Combine diced sweet potatoes, black beans, cherry tomatoes, corn, and avocado in a salad bowl. This is a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal that's perfect for a warm day. 2. Sweet potato and lentil soup. Saute diced sweet potatoes and green beans in a pot with vegetable broth. Add lentils and spinach at the end, and serve hot with a sprinkle of parsley. 3. Stuffed sweet potatoes. Cut your favorite sweet potato in half and remove the inedible skin. Fill the halves with a mixture of ground turkey, cooked quinoa or rice, and diced vegetables. Bake in the oven until tender and serve hot. 4. Chocolate chunk sweet potato cookies. Roll out your favorite cookie dough and place small pieces of diced sweet potato on top of the dough. Bake in the oven and enjoy the sweet and savory combination. In conclusion, sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet. They offer a variety of health benefits and can be incorporated into many different recipes. Give them a try and enjoy the sweet taste of this fantastic root vegetable.